For this assignment, over the span of the first 7 weeks, you will need to engage with the population you've selected. It's best if you're with the actual population selected. Another option for incredibly limited access populations, such as incarcerated minors that it may be more difficult to get to spend time with personally. You can also talk with those who work with this population specifically. So in that case, it could be those who work in juvenile correction facilities, nurses in juvenile correction facilities, possibly even individuals who have recently left those types of facilities, who are no longer incarcerated, but who were incarcerated as youth, not necessarily like 15 years ago, but fairly recently. So with your population, you need to do a minimum of 5 engagement hours with the population. These do go into your final time log. If you have a population where a 12-step or support group meeting would be appropriate, those are an excellent opportunity. It's recommended that instead of going to like one really long event, you can break that up into multiples. So you can either go to, for example, if you chose alcoholism, you could choose a couple different AA meetings, or best yet would be if you go to an AA meeting for the same group every single week, so you can see changes within that group. You get to experience wins and losses, setbacks and triumphs within that group. If you go to a support group or 12-step group, it is not appropriate for you to tell them that you are a nursing student and not a part of that population. For individuals in these populations, those 12-step programs are incredibly important, and they do not need a person from the outside that they feel they may not be able to trust with their information or with the story that they are sharing. So I understand that that is incredibly uncomfortable for many students. It is also acceptable in those to say, this is my first time and I'm not ready to share. You can leave it at that, and they will move on. They will not push you further. So you need to find a way to engage with the population. You can, if you need to, take someone with you, but if you do take someone with you, you need to make sure that you are truly engaging in the activity as it is, and not spending time talking to the person that you brought along. So please look through and see what you need to do. In addition to adding this to your time log, you need to go in and answer a few questions. So you'll be answering, at the very top, you need to put what your population was, just to give us a reference for what we're about to read. And then go in and put your personal and professional experience with this population prior to this course. What did you do for your engagement hours? So you need to put some specific locations, days, and times. Was the biggest concern mentioned by individuals in this population? How did this experience solidify or deviate from your preconceived ideas engaging with this population? What is the biggest thing you learned about this population through your engagement? What is the biggest thing you learned about yourself through this engagement? And what can you do to better advocate for this population? Now, if you have chosen a population that you identify as a member of that population, that is not a problem at all, but you do need to make sure that you're gaining information and access and contact outside of only your personal story into a broader context to see what that looks like across an entire population, even a little snapshot of that population. Now, if you end up really engaging in these hours and thoroughly enjoying it, or if it's something that, for example, you yourself are working with a homeless population, or you yourself attend AA meetings or Al-Anon meetings, even outside of what you've been doing for this class, and you know that you'll be doing a lot more hours, if you complete 5 extra hours of engagement by the end of the semester, you can submit that bonus 5 hours for up to 2.5 more points in the course. That being said, if you choose to do that, you still need to submit these initial 5 hours by the end of week 7.